This video is going to look at the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis about language, thought and communication. So on your specification, you've got to understand the relationship between language and thought. And this video is going to look at Sapir-Whorf's hypothesis that thinking depends on language. Now the hypothesis is that it's not possible to think about something that you don't have the words for. So this means people's thoughts and behaviours are affected by the language that they speak. So it's not possible to think about something if you don't have the words for it. So according to this hypothesis, language comes first and then thoughts will come afterwards. And there's two main versions of this. A strong version, where language determines your thoughts, and the weak version, where language will influence the thoughts that you have. So the strong version says that if there's no words for a thought, an object, an idea, then you can't think about it at all. That's why it's difficult sometimes to translate ideas from one language to another. So if a language has no words for a certain idea, then people who speak that language will have no way of actually thinking about it. So Eskimos and Inuits, for example, they have 27 different words for snow. So the way they think about snow wouldn't be available to someone who only speaks English. Now the weak version is slightly different. This states that language just influences your thoughts. So for example, you can still imagine something even if you don't have the words for it. So English speakers, they can still think of different types of snow, even though they don't have the words for it. So the weaker version is usually the more preferred version. If the words we have for an idea are limited, our ability to notice or recall the idea is limited as well.